Just like the flowers and vegetables have reached their peak, so my excitement for gardening. The garden was definitely going strong, but now that the season is slowing down, the plants look like they are getting ready to call it quits, and a lot of my work out here now is just cleaning, pruning, harvesting what's left, and getting ready for fall. Harvesting the vegetables is a bittersweet experience for me. The once lush vines are now heavy with ripened fruit. The color of the foliage goes from green to golden, and a lot of the plants are starting to get sick. Others are still producing, and some just can't make up their mind. Like a good part of the US, we just got done with almost a week of constant crazy high temperatures. I spent most of those days inside because gardening in 95 plus degree weather is not something that I enjoy. But I have to help my plants outside handle that heat, so I was here every morning, really early, watering everything possible. I plant my vegetables heavily with flowers, and the dahlias this year were really a huge success for me in my raised beds. It is still hard for me to cut the blooms from the plants, but I know that it will only help produce more blooms. And while we are reaching September and things will be done by October, I still have plenty of time for so much more harvest. The cages that my husband built for the tomatoes were definitely a huge plus for me this year. The plants definitely grew way taller than these trellises, so not for next year. Make them a little bit higher. One of the things that I really enjoy doing whenever I have extra of either vegetables or flowers is sharing those with my neighbors. Or like today, with people that drive by my street. I don't try to make anything super fancy. I just gather a few of the flowers that I have left, and then I make a few bouquets. I hope that your gardens are still producing. I hope that you are going outside every day still and enjoying what's left of your beautiful, beautiful garden. Thank you so much for being here, you guys, and until the next time.